An update on a double murder trial. The trial of Raquel Adams continued today in Wilmington. He's accused of killing two people at the home of a former executive of True Colors Brewing back in 2021. WECT's Ariana Bertolotti joins us now live outside the New Hanover County Courthouse. What did the prosecution focus on today?
Well, Fran, the prosecutors continued to hammer away at Raquel Adams' phone, including what they believe is a wide range of incriminating activity. Now, a cell phone expert went through text messages and travelogue history showing Adams frequently drove to the house where the murders happened on Providence Road in Wilmington. The records also show Adams' phone pinged near the home the morning of the murders. The jury also saw video from the phone of Adams driving by a funeral for one of the victims and text messages of him saying he wanted to shoot up the funeral home. Throughout this testimony, Adams seemed a bit antsy as he watched the contents of his phone on display, frequently conversing with his attorney. Now, the defense did not have time to cross-examine this witness, but testimonies will continue tomorrow. Reporting live outside the New Hanover County Courthouse, Ariana Bertolotti, WECT News.